Do you want to be able to change the language on your Sparkasse app? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to do this. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Sparkasse app, and instead we're going to go into the settings app on our phone. So go into your settings app, and as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page you're just going to scroll down, and then you're going to click where it says apps. So click on apps. And as you can see, you should now be taken here, which is great. Now we can just scroll down in here until we can find this Sparkasse app. So just scroll down until we can see it right here. So just a second. Going to keep scrolling down. And here it is. As you can see, yeah, here it is, the Sparkasse app. So we're going to click on Sparkasse here. Then as you can see down below, it says preferred language. So click on preferred language. For me, it's English, as you can see, by default, but you can change it to German, as you can see, Polish, Turkish, Ukrainian, and Czech also, as you can see. So you can change to those languages in here, and then you can go back into the app, and hopefully now the language has been changed for you.